Hi and welcome to the unboxing of my latest acquisition, which is a Nigara Hamono Sujihiki. Okay, clean tidy box, a little pamphlet from Nigara Knives. They've been making knives for 350 years. That's a long time making knives. Okay. Now to me that's beautiful. I mean, why would I buy a knife that I didn't like the look of in the first place? A beautiful ebony handle. It's been set beautifully, absolutely beautifully. You can see the here where it's sandmire construction. The core is actually aogami or super blue with a Tsuchime finish on the stainless steel cladding. Stainless steel cladding has a stamp. It appears to be that a lot of these artisans are moving away from hammer marks to little waves or lightning bolts, things like that. I suppose that could have been a bit more polished, but then having said that, it's going to come back anyway, so I can hardly complain about that. The only thing I'm not crazy about is just the finish on the aogami or the super blue steel, but that's not. I can't really complain about that either, because after a thinning, that will become very highly polished. It's a beautiful looking piece of kit, and it weighs 196 grams. I love that. I prefer heavier knives to lighter knives, but that's just a personal preference. The blade's 242 millimeters long and 39 millimeters at the heel here. That is an absolute cracker, but will it work? I'll show you soon. Sharpness out of the box is awesome. Okay, enough looking. Let's put it to some good use.